more salt. And then for added sweetness, this is optional, guys. Add about a tablespoon of sugar. Onto the next layer of our meat sauce. So we'll just move it around like this. Hello guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're making a low-carb meal. We're making zucchini lasagna. I've been making this dish quite frequently as it is really good. Anyways, we are gonna start with, of course, the zucchini. We also have some garlic, onion. We also have some ground beef. You could use ground chicken or ground turkey as well. We also have our pasta sauce. For the cheeses, I still have about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, but you could add more if you want. I also have some Mozzarella Cheddar combination for cheese. Also have some sugar for added sweetness. You could omit it if you want. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. So there you go, guys. Let's start making our zucchini lasagna. So I find it easier to just use my vegetable peeler to slice my zucchini as opposed to just cutting it using the knife para equal yung size niya. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then later on, if there's some left over, I'm just gonna dice it and add it to my tomato sauce. I forgot to mention, guys, na we have to include some olive oil or vegetable oil or canola oil in this recipe. So we're gonna start browning our ground beef. If you have ground turkey or ground chicken, that would work as well. So we will cook it until brown. And then we can proceed to the next step. Now that the ground beef is browned, we're just gonna add some onions. Cook it for about 7 minutes. I'm also gonna add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt. Remember, season as you go. And some pepper. Mix it well again and wait for about 7 minutes until the onions are cooked. So after 7 minutes, as you can see, the onions are cooked. By the way, this is the leftover zucchini. I just cut it, I just diced it actually, and then we're gonna add it to the sauce for added texture and flavor as well. Plus, zucchini is healthy for you. So we'll mix them again. Wait for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we can start adding our garlic. So the zucchinis are cooked. It's time to add in our garlic. We'll cook it for about 3 minutes, and then we can add in the rest of the ingredients. So we are gonna add about 2 cups of our pasta sauce. Ayaw natin ng masyadong runny yung consistency. Gusto pa rin natin medyo thick ang consistency ng ating pasta sauce or yung ating lasagna sauce. So, a few more. So, this is a perfect consistency, as you can see. So, I'm just gonna add more pepper. more salt. And then for added sweetness, this is optional guys, add about a tablespoon of sugar. So, lagay lang natin sa low yung heat natin. We'll mix them well together. I don't know about you guys, but when I cook my pasta sauce, I like to add cheese. Para dito pa lang, creamy na yung consistency at saka added flavor. So that's about 2 tablespoons. It's up to you guys. And then mix it well again. Basically, our sauce is done. Malambot na yung ating zucchini. We'll just wait for our cheese to melt. And then we'll just let it boil one more time. Remember, we have to taste again guys kung tama na yung lasa sa inyo, okay? So, ito na yung ating 2 layers ng zucchini. This is our meat sauce. So, let's see. We'll add about 2 heaping scoops. We'll scatter them like so. And then we can add some cheese. Okay, so next, we'll add again a layer of our thinly sliced zucchini. We'll make it into 2 layers again para medyo thick naman siya. That's the first layer of zucchini. Now we're gonna do another layer. This will be so nice to bring to any potluck, or this will be a good lunch or dinner for your family. Plus it's healthy too because it's low in carbs. Onto the next layer of our meat sauce. So we'll just move it around like this para lahat ng edges malagyan ng ating meat sauce. Okay, and then we're gonna add another layer of our mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Nasa sa inyo na kung gaano karaming mozzarella and cheddar. And then I am gonna add the final layer of our sliced zucchini. Adding the rest of the pasta sauce. And at this time also, meron akong Parmesan cheese. It's only about a tablespoon or 2. I'm also gonna add it on top together with the mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Okay. This is the Parmesan cheese. Just scatter it like so. I think that was just about a tablespoon, pero that's fine as well. And then we're just gonna add as much or as little as you want sa cheese natin, the mozzarella and cheddar. So when we bake this, guys, we have to cover it with a thin foil. So here you go, guys. It just came out of the oven, freshly baked zucchini lasagna. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.